This machine is manufactured in various different models, with single vat for small production, double vat for continuous production, double vat with extruder to produce all long and short pasta shapes. Dough can be prepared in the single or double vat using any type of flour. An automatic sheeter produces and rolls the pasta sheet, which is then used to produce fine pasta sheet or tagliatelle. By using a single pasta sheet roll and mounting the cutting unit, plain or jagged edge tagliatelle can be produced automatically in the desired lengths and widths. Pasta sheet can also be cut to the desired dimensions for lasagna and cannelloni or very short tagliatelle suitable for soup. By using 2 pasta sheet rolls and mounting the ravioli mould, ravioli can be produced in various shapes and with different types of filling. The machine can control pasta sheet thickness and filling flow. It can also be supplied with a continuous filling system for pasta sheet, either 160 or 250 mm wide.